Writing slope-intercept equations from word problems. Our first word problem says, a plumber charges a fee of $50 to make a house call. He also charges $25 an hour for labor. Write an equation that you could use to find the amount a plumber charges for a house call based on the number of hours of labor. Let X represent the number of hours for labor and Y represent the total cost. Since the plumber is charging a fee of $50 no matter what to come out just to make the house call, that is our initial value. That is our starting fee. Whether you get serviced by this plumber or not, if they are coming out to the house, he is going to charge you $50. That is a one-time fee. It's going to happen once every time he comes out. So $50 is our starting point. Our number one starting point is $50. That's our initial value. $25 an hour for labor is our rate of change. So if something is wrong and the plumber needs to make adjustments or fix something, they're going to charge you $25 for every single hour they are there. So even though we don't see one of our keywords, an hour means every hour or per hour. So we know that every single hour that plumber is at the house fixing something, this person is going to be charged $25. So this number is going to reoccur every hour until the plumber is done. So this one is our rate of change or our slope. So it says Y is going to represent our total cost. Remember, X is the number of hours, so our M is the price per hour. You multiply those together. And then our B is our starting fee. So now we need to put it all together and write an equation. So the equation that will help us figure out the total cost after a plumber is done working at our house is Y equals 25X plus 50. Our next example says Sam is learning how to speak Spanish. He already knows 30 words and plans to learn 15 new words each week. Label the number of words learned Y and the number of weeks X. So noted here, the words that Sam already knows are 30. That means that is our initial value. That is how many words he is starting with before he continues to learn new words. So he is starting at 30 words known. Starting value is your initial value. Then he learns 15 new words each week. Each is one of those key words for slope. So each week he's learning 15 new words, which is the rate at which things are changing. 15 is going to reoccur every week until he is done learning new words. So we need to write an equation for how many total words he has learned, knowing that M is our words per week and our B is the words we're starting with. So the equation for the total words learned is Y equals 15X plus 30.